we'll guide you through how to install Krita on your Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and type in krita.org to access the official Krita website. Once you're there, navigate to the download section at the top of the homepage. You'll see different options for various operating systems. Click on the Mac OS option to get started. This will redirect you to the Mac download page. Here, you'll find the latest version of Krita available for Mac. Click on the download button next to the version number. The file will start downloading, and you'll see it in your Downloads folder or your browser's download manager. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the Krita DMG file. Double-click on the DMG file to open it. A new window will appear showing the Krita application icon and a shortcut to your Applications folder. Simply drag and drop the Krita icon into the Applications folder shortcut. This step copies Krita into your Mac's Applications folder, making it ready for use. After the copying process is complete, you can close the DMG window and eject it from your system by right-clicking on it and selecting Eject. Now, navigate to your Applications folder and locate the Krita app. Double-click on the Krita icon to launch the application. You might see a security prompt since it's downloaded from the internet. Just click Open to proceed. Krita will now start up, and you can begin using it for all your digital painting and illustration needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.